What's up guys, TechCore here today with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So before we get into it, let's take a look around the device. So on the side you see some branding, more branding on the top, nothing on the left. You have some stickers on the bottom, and on the back you have the package contents and some more writing. So now let's open this thing up, set that aside. There we go. There we have the Note 4. Take this out. We'll open that in a second. So now let's get into the box. Okay, you see you have your guides and whatnot. You're gonna have your charger, micro USB. You've got your big battery over here. Put that in later. You have your wall adapter. And you have some S Pen replacement tips with a tool to do so. And that's about it for the box. So let's scoot that aside and get the wrapping off. So let's take this front piece off. There we go. And now there's a piece on the back. Now there's also a piece on the camera. Let's get that off. Okay, so now we're going to put the battery in this thing. So we can pop this open. There we go. And there's the battery. Just tear into this. Okay, so now let's slide in the battery. There, all good. Let's get the back onto it. Okay, and let's boot it on for the first time. If there's any juice, I think there is. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Okay, so it's finished. That, English, yes, phone activation. Okay, so then, use Wi-Fi, next. For now, we're just gonna skip this and leave setup. And we are in. Amazing. So yeah, I'd have to say, this is a really premium feeling phone. It definitely feels really good in the hand. And I think that just about wraps up this unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.